Branches of Linguistics, Rudi Salam. Branches of Linguistics. Linguistics are engaged in a multiplicity of studies, some of which bear little direct relationship to each other. This is an incomplete list of the branches of linguistics. New ones continue to arise. Branches of linguistics. Phonetic, the study of speech sounds, how they are produced in the vocal tract. Articulatory phonetics, how they are transmitted through the air. Acoustic phonetics, and how they are perceived by the listener. Auditory phonetics. Morphology, the study of the way which words are constructed out of smaller units which have a meaning or grammatical functions. For example, the word friendly is constructed from friend and the adjective formingly. Lexicography. The completing of dictionaries. Lexicography could be seen as a branch of applied linguistics. Syntax, the study of how words combine to form sentences and the rules which govern the information of sentences. Semantics, the study of meaning, how words and sentences are related to real and imaginary objects they refer to and the situation they describe. Pragmatics, the study of the use of language in communication, particularly the relationship between sentences and the contents and situations in which they are used, such as time, pace, social relationship between speaker and hearer, and speaker assumptions about the hearer belief. Sociolinguistics, the study language in relationship to social factors such as social class, educational level, age, sex, and ethnic origin. Such areas as the study of language choice in bilingual or multilingual communities. Language planning or language attitudes can also be included. Study of how sentences in spoken and written language form larger, meaningful units such as paragraph, conversation, interview, etc. Stylistic, the study of the variant in language which depend on the situation or in which the language is used, and also on the effect the writer, speaker wishes to create on the reader. Here, stylistic tries to establish principles capable of explaining the particular choice made by individuals and social groups in their use of language. Discourse analysis D. Literary stylistic, the analysis of literary texts applying linguistic methods and theories, phonetics, morphology, syntax, discourse analysis, pragmatics, and etc., with the aim of providing retrieval interpretations which allow comparisons on different texts, genre, fiction, drama, and poetry, etc. Pseudolinguistics, the study of the mental processes underlying the planning, productions, perceptions, and comprehensions of speech. For example, how memory, limitation affect speech productions and comprehensions. The best developed branch of physical linguistics in the study of language acquisitions. Applied linguistics, the applications of the methods of result of linguistics to such areas and language teaching, national language policies, translation, language in politics, advertising, classroom and course, phonetic linguistics. Computational linguistics. Computational linguistics study natural language such as English and Japanese rather than computer language such as Fortran of Java. Field of computational linguistics has two aims to technology aim to enable computer to be used as aids in analyzing and processing natural language and the psychological aim to understand by analogy with computers. More about how people process natural language. It also includes research on automatic translation, electronic production on artificial speech, and the automatic recognition of human speech.